In order to activate the parking brake for this car, all you have to do is just come towards your left side. Notice there's that parking button right there. We'll just press that button. You will hear a background sound coming out, and on the speedometer the parking sign is visible right there. But suppose you want to turn off the parking brake while the car is turned on. For this, we will come all the way down, press and hold that brake pedal in the middle, just like that. Come back to that switch on your left. Once again, click on that switch. After the background sound, you will see on the speedometer the parking sign is not visible anymore. Now suppose the car is turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake option. One more time, we'll come back to that left side and click on that parking button. As usual, the background sound will be there, and also on the speedometer the parking sign is activated. But suppose you want to turn off the parking brake while the car is turned off. The bad news is you cannot do that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. Like in this case, if I come down one more time, press and hold that brake pedal in the middle, and then come back to that switch on your left side. One more time, click on that parking switch. No matter how many times I press on that parking button, on the speedometer you will see the parking sign is visible right there. So in order to release the parking brake option, you would have to turn on the vehicle. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.